With 12 locations around the globe, we develop, produce and market machinery, systems and services for industrial cleaning applications and surface processing. We are developing a scalable modular electrolysis system for the production of green hydrogen as an alternative energy carrier because renewable energies are close to our hearts. As an innovation-driven company, we've been granted nearly 800 patents worldwide. Year after year, we invest in innovation for a sustainable future. Ecoclean has 12 locations in 9 countries, including the USA, Czech Republic, Germany, China, India and France. The teams in our German centers of competence in Monschau and Filderstadt support all companies of the SBS Ecoclean Group through research, development and innovation. Employees of the SBS Ecoclean Group say, "We treat each other and our customers with respect and fairness. When we have questions or need to find solutions, we can turn to colleagues from all over the world. As innovators, we can live our passion for technology to the fullest." In production and service, in engineering and R&D, or in sales, we challenge and encourage people who are enthusiastic about their job, who work solution-oriented, and who are passionate about taking responsibility. No matter where you work with us, we offer the right framework, a cooperative working environment, modern equipment, and high standards. We offer ongoing training and flexible work-life balance solutions at each location, as well as social, health, and mobility perks which allow employees to grow with us. We have an open-minded culture which values diversity and creativity. We think and act as an entrepreneur. We're solution-oriented, sustainable, and trustworthy. We also care about social and environmental responsibilities. Become a part of our international team. Look within to see beyond.